In this video I'm going to show you how I can highlight text in the Gutenberg editor in WordPress. So after I highlight the text, it will look something like this. You can see the text are highlighted very nicely. There are gaps between the lines, and the highlight ends exactly where the line ends over here. So suppose if I want to highlight this text over here, so currently Gutenberg does not have any option to highlight the text. So if I click on the under more, you can see that there is no option to highlight the text. And over here in the block option, under colors, you can change the text colors to something else and the background color to something else. But when you change the background color to something else, it will just apply the background color over the entire text area. So it just looks like a box and it is nowhere near the highlight, which I'm going to show now. So let me just clear this. So to highlight the text, I'm going to use a simple one line HTML code over here. I have it right over here. So suppose I want to highlight from Lorem to typesetting industry over here up to here. So firstly, let me copy this part of the code, and by the way, I'm going to provide the code down in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste it for your convenience. Okay, so let me just copy this part, span up to here, copy, and then let me just click over here, and let me click over here, and then click over here, edit as HTML. So before Lorem, I'm going to paste this part, and so I want to highlight up to typesetting industry. So I'm going to end this part with /span. So just have a look how I do this. Okay, so now it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on these three dots and then click on edit visually. You see that is the text is nicely highlighted. So let me just save it as draft and let me show you how it looks in the front end. So let me just click over here. So see, this nicely highlighted. Okay, so you can use different colors if you want. So you can visit this website, flatUIcolors.com. So you suppose you want to use another kind of this green color for the highlight, so you can just choose this one and click again over here and click on edit as HTML, and then simply replace this color with the new color which you copied, and then click again edit visually. You see, it's another type of color. So save as draft. Okay, so there is another way to highlight the text. Suppose you highlight while writing your blogs, you highlight your text quite often. You highlight quite often, so it might be a bit time consuming to use this code again and again repeatedly. So in that case, you can use a free theme and a plugin, and these are very popular themes and plugins, so don't worry. So firstly, let's come to the plugin. It's called just Cadence Gutenberg Blocks by Cadence Theme. So it's very popular. So let me just show you how it works. So let me just search this Gutenberg Blocks. Just type in Gutenberg and Gutenberg Blocks. Okay, this one, Gutenberg Blocks by Cadence Blocks, page builder features. Just install this one. You can see that it's completely safe to install this one. 103 5-star reviews and more than 100,000 plus active installations. So no worries at all. Just simply install and activate this one. So what this plugin will do, it will add a lot of new functionalities to the Gutenberg editor. So let me just activate this. And another thing you'll need to do, you'll need to use their theme called Cadence theme. So let me add this one. Now add just Cadence. You can see Cadence. Just search for this one. You see it's called the Cadence theme. Okay, let me just install and activate this one theme. Okay, I've activated the theme, so let me just refresh it. So it's kind of going to look different. Okay, so now let me just now let me edit the page. Okay, it's opening up. So let's wait a bit. Okay, so now after and the Gutenberg, now code, so I want to highlight it. So I want to highlight this line. Just simply select this line, and now when you click over here, you will get the option to highlight the line. This line. Just click on highlight, and see it's highlighted with yellow color. So but you'll need to use that theme and plugin. But if you don't want to use that theme and plugin, you can just use this option which I've showed you a little bit earlier on. Just use this code to highlight any line. And once again, I'm going to provide this code down in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste it from over there. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I reply to all of my comments. And if you found this video useful, then please make sure to like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have the time, please visit my website, tazveerwebsolutions.com. TSVR. So this is my website. On this website you will find lots of helpful blogs regarding Thrive Architect, Elementor, Thrive Theme Builder, and also Gutenberg. So please make sure to visit it when you have the time. And thank you for watching this.